spokesperson of the immediate government, Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh, while speaking to news reporters, recently informed that the expert committee on reservation policy should comprise of persons who can respond to various queries related to the evaluation review of the reservation policy and substantiate the same through legal scrutiny.
You've just seen that the cabinet has just come up with the latest memorandum regarding the application of the reservation roster in the interest of the public of the state of Meghalaya. That is something which has already been done. Number two, a search committee has been installed, put in position. The search committee will now go ahead and indicate, also invite various experts in various lines, so that we are ensuring that a committee, when it sits, is substantiated by individuals who have the expertise to comment on a certain matter. I will then also telephonically speak to all members of the committee and inquire from various political parties how are they going to go ahead about this. We had given them till today, which is a date that they should submit all of their queries either to the chairperson of the committee of all political parties, or to the Honorable Chief Minister, or to the Chief Secretary, and we will consolidate on all of these materials that we get. We will look at the kind of queries that are being put forward, because even before calling for an expert committee, one must first understand what are the questions that are being asked by the various political parties, various civil society members, various NGOs, various members who will seek information on the latest mind of the government on the evaluation and a review of the reservation policy. It will take some time, and we hope that we will be able to draw the exact queries and make sure that we have experts from such queries who will be able to substantiate a legal scrutiny. We must ensure that whatever the state does, it does with that in mind. So I will get on the job ASAP, and I hope that I will be able to update the public through the media at the correct and appropriate time.